Hello, Mr. Sen. Welcome to our conversation point. As a professional, how useful do you think using Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint for professional like us?
Hi, Riju. Riju, when I started my career in sales, that point of time I was using Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint presentation. And now, me being in training, I'm still using Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint presentation. Now, the thing is, there are lots of benefits which we can reap out of using Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. It has immensely helped me in taking certain decisions in my career. For example, when I was in sales, there were MISs which would come from a central MIS team. Now that was in Excel format. So I had to use that MIS and make certain corrective actions and plan my future actions accordingly, seeing those MISs in the Excel. And these Excels really helps us in doing some analytics also, right? Where you can analyze and you can take certain actions of and take some corrective actions also accordingly. So Excel has always helped me. Now, me being in the supervisory role, when I prepare budget or I prepare any plan or any projection, I've always been using Excel. The plus point in Excel is that you can use the formulas which are there, and there are certain tools which will help you in analyzing the data. That's a plus point in Excel. Second, if I talk of Microsoft Word, it has always helped me in typing any kind of speech you want to give, or I want to address a group of people, or I have to prepare any kind of dialogue with anyone. So the Microsoft Word has always helped me, because there is a tool out there where you can also check the spelling. There's a tool out there, specific tool. And also you can use there's something called you can also synchronize Google tool with Microsoft Word. For example, if you want, you can add this speaker, where if you just dictate whatever you are saying, the Word will type it accordingly. So these are the tools which are very handy. It has helped me. And for PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation has immensely helped me in presenting any kind of this raw data to my supervisors for projections or any kind of training where the content is there. I have just put it in the PowerPoint presentation to present it to the larger audience and group.
Okay.
So that's how it has helped me.
Okay, that's awesome. So my second question is will be very much helpful for our audience. So my question is, what do you suggest for those who are not using Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint?
So I would just suggest one thing, to update yourself with the time, because technology is going at a rapid space and we need to update ourselves. Otherwise, we'll become obsolete. So anyone who is not using Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint presentation, these are basic things which one should know, right? So what we need to do is, if we are not using it as a professional, start using it, because if you're thinking it is very difficult, it is not. You can just first need to go through it. जब तक आप उसको experience नहीं करोगे, you will not know how easy or difficult it is. And whereas learning is concerned, if you want to upgrade your skill, there are lots of free videos in YouTube which will help you to which will teach you how to use a Microsoft Excel, how to make a PowerPoint presentation, and how to use the Microsoft Word. Believe me, friends, nobody taught me. There was no formal training to use these things. Now there are various trainings which are there online. They teach you, obviously at a cost, but I have learned it of my own, just by using it. Wherever I had any problem using formulas in Excel, I would refer back to the YouTube to get a good hold of it. So I would just suggest one thing: master it, friends. It will really give an edge to you, and it will also help you in your career progression.
Okay,
That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much. So I hope it will help our audience and it is really inspiring for learning Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.